Hello guys, welcome to Ace Vid. I'm going to show you how to draw Kirby. This is Kirby guys. You're gonna make this drawing at the end of this short video, and you're gonna do it on Windows Paint. How great is that? Okay guys, if you like this video, just subscribe and like my video, comment below. Okay guys, open Windows Paint. Then after you have opened Windows Paint, you can after opening Windows Paint, you can just like add a circle in the middle. After like putting on a circle in the middle, you go on and select the lines. After selecting the lines, dissect the circle. Dissect your circle. They are dissected in half. After dissecting it in half, you also cut it again. After like cutting it like that, now it's time for making ribs. Adjust that. Okay, cool. Now it's time for making ribs. You can like add a certain like lamp on the edge of the circle, just like the way I did. Simple, straightforward. You can also do that. Also add another. Oh, I made a mistake there. You see, like I will rub it off. It's simple guys. There, the way I'm doing that. Great. Now it's time for the legs. The legs are so simple. I will get some lines and connect them at the edge of the drawing, at the edge of the circle, that is. And like the way I've done. Great guys, you're throwing out great. Let's now make the eyes. See that it's coming out great. Just like select the circle tool again, just add 2 circles, add again 2 circles again in the middle of the eyes, in the middle of the circles. Just the way I've done it, that. And then you can like color in some red. You see the way it's coming out great. I'm also sure that you're doing that the same. Okay, now doing the mouth, add a circle there, and again the way you're seeing there, it's like I'm making a mouth and a tongue. Okay, after that's done, you can lob off the lines that are in the circle. You can lob them off. You need like the drawing to come out in its shape. Okay, after rubbing off the lines, you can now select draw paint to color in the drawing, the whole of the drawing. Great guys, it's looking great. Yeah, wow, I'm loving this. Okay, I hope that you're loving this too. Don't forget to like the video. Now I will color in my eyes to be bright so that the white part should come out great. Okay, let me color let's color now the legs. Okay, no, let's like make this what I call this cheek effect, as in cheek coloring. Let's like put in some cheek marks there. Yeah, you know cartoons, Kirby has these things, so you need like put them. Don't forget to add them there. So let's now put on some red coloring on the legs, red coloring on the legs. Great guys, it's looking great. You're almost done. Wow, I love it. Now it's on Windows Paint. How great is that? Let's add down the mouth orange. I like orange, and darken it a bit. You know, the shading effect. Add that. Great, beautiful. You're done. Great. I love it that you have watched all the way through, guys. So this is Kirby guys. If you have liked my video, simple issue, just like my video, comment on the video, request a drawing if you want a drawing, and don't forget to subscribe. It helps a lot if you subscribe guys. See ya guys. See ya.